Hi kids! Oh wow! Sea creatures! They all are erasers. Let's open it. Today we will play with it and also learn alphabets, numbers and colors.
Wow!
1, 2, 3, 4. Sky blue and white, blue and white, green, orange, white, violet. You can also separate their parts. This is a whale shark. This is a seal. This is also a whale shark. This is a dolphin. They are so cute. Let's join them again.
No. Hiya!
Do you like it, kids? Now keep them aside. Dolphin, whale shark, seal, whale shark.
No. Whoa! Wow!
Donuts. Let's open it. They are so colorful. Do you know that they all are erasers? Let's play with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 donuts erasers. We can also separate it. First donut. Sky blue color, white color. second donut. This is light pink color. White color. Third donut. Violet color. White color. Fourth donut. Orange color. White color.
No.
Let's run them again. Now keep them aside. Orange, violet, light pink, sky blue.
No.
Hi kids. Oh wow, vegetables. Let's open it. Number 1 vegetable. Number 2 vegetable. Number 3 vegetable. Number 4 vegetable. Now we will learn about the vegetables. This is pumpkin. Orange color, green color. This is eggplant. Purple color, green color. This is cucumber. Green color cucumber. This is carrot. Red color, green color.
Hiya. No. Hiya.
Oh wow, a bunny. This is so cute. A yellow color bunny. Do you like it, kids? You can also open this.
Wow!
Let's open it.
No. Hiya.
Wow, small candies. Let's join it. Now keep it aside. Today we will learn alphabets. Let's start. Oh wow, so many colors. Let's open it. Now at first we will learn colors. This is color brush. Black color, white color, brown color, pink color, purple color, blue color, red color, sky blue color, orange color, green color, yellow color, light green color. Now keep it aside.